Sorry, low.
We run it empire, and she got the juice. You know she the truth. If you fucking with me, then I'm fucking with you. We just took a trip. I just bought a shield. Remind me of me.
Nice. Sorry. Yo, kill these spawns. Kill these spawns. Nope. 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 Bitch. Understandable. Have a nice day. YOLO!
Go. Hey, I actually shattered some.
Raped. Raped. Massive shatter. Nice.
Oi.
Oh my god.
Anna's asleep. She's asleep by the car. Kill her. Kill her, McCree. Kill her. Right. McCree. Kill her. That's
Oh my god.
Yeah, bro. Come on.
Oh
Come
my.
on, bro.
We're deader than dead.
Ponzo's one. Kill him.
Understandable.
Understandable. Understandable. Maximum understandable.
Lucio, come pick my fat ass up.
Oh, I know. Don't tell me what to do.
Understandable.
Sorry, that was something.
Boy. Boy.
What is it?
Boy.
You're
No bamboozles.
Chipotle burrito rain.
What? I love Chipotle.
The #1 Billboard top cover song of the classic Chocolate Rain.
What?
Okay.
I'm not following, but keep going.
Chocolate rain.
Best burrito that I've had today. Chipotle.
Damn.
Salsa spices made fresh every day. Chipotle.
Yeah,
Damn.
The kids line up for free burrito day. Chipotle.
I gave that an 8 out of 10.
No one heals me.
I killed Farah. What is going on? What just happened to my ass?
What just happened?
It just opened up.
What a bitch!
Get in there.
And I come back!
Did he come back? Oh, you saved me. Thank you, Dad.
Yes, she used the grab.
I died, but I healed all of you guys. You're fine. Yo, give us that Genji again, soldier. What are you doing, bro?
Fuck did you say?
Oh no, you didn't. You did not. You did not.
Heard me.
You didn't.
Gingu, baby.
Let's start clapping.
Give us that Gingu.
I might upload this to YouTube. Say hi, chat. Ah! Main, please!
I can't. Okay, you're fine.
I love this team.
Just kill him slowly.
No one bit tick.
Only two.
Nice. Here comes
Nice.
Ren.
Hey, bro. One die.
Nice.
Reloading, Diva.
It's okay. Evasive maneuvers.
We're so late. Right, he's like 420.
I hit him. He's hitting me though. He's better.
I made my ice cream.
What?
Is it coffee ice cream?
Share.
Coffee ice cream's so good, dude.
They're
YouTube.
coming in, guys, they're
Thank
coming
you so much for the sub, man. Fall late, thank you, man.
They're
I'm gonna try to
all
boop one.
Oh my god, this Zarya is bodying me, bro.
I'm back, guys, I'm back. Mine's super low.
Soldier's up top. I threw. Soldier's up top. I threw.
Lucio's out on the
Heal me! Woo!
I'm dead. I'm dead. Stay alive. Stay alive. Stay alive, champ. Stay alive. Fine. Stay.
Nice, Sue. I don't want to lose my mech. Just hit OT. Just hit OT. Just hit OT. Even if we can't win.
We got a slam. Stall it out. We got a slam coming in. We got a slam and a purple coming in. We got a slam coming in, boys. We got a slam. We got a slam. The slam.
Ah!
If there's a solo, at least on point.
Oh, I'm out of here.
Nice, good job, guys.
Hell yeah.
Good job.
I'm eating my ice cream.
Understandable.
Vicatory. Wait, don't leave. I was in a 6-stack. What the fuck?
Victoria.
That guy was fake anyways. He didn't talk.
What the fuck is this?
Help!
Running back right now.
I'm just gonna stay alive then. Holy shit. How did she hit? No!
You being for real?
How did that Zarya not die? Uh-oh. Don't turn around. Don't turn around. Don't turn around. Don't turn around. Don't. I'm alive!
Discord McCree. Discord McReed. Discord Ryan. Discord Ryan.
Discord Ryan, follow up. Understandable. Who's the next Discord? Mercy Discorded.
Nice fucking on fire, idiot. Oh wait.
Wait, what?
UAV recon online.
Welcome to Oasis.
Ground?
The hog
What?
watch is so. Dude, the hog would not go away.
Get off Widow, nerd. Ah! I wasn't too deep, fam. 100 emoji. Grab!
I can't hit a shot today.
There's no one there.
They have res.
I've just been zoning the soldier the whole time.
They don't have a mercy.
Oh my god, oh my god!
Nicely done.
Nice, nice.
So why are people telling me to call you Stimpy?
God, they're on to me.
It's okay, we got.
Stimpy.
0.
Hanzo, I was gonna save your ass so hard from that Roadhog, but I got scattered instantly. Ooh, Tracer, nice.
Help me!
I'm coming, Tracer.
Oh my god, I love you. I love you. Oh god. Get baited, kid.
I didn't have a shield. So
I saw you hit already. I saw hit.
Get rid of this Tracer.
I need HP. I need what do we got here? What do we got here? Oh.
Okay, go.
I did not mean to.
Dev I'm still alive. I can contest whenever. JK, I'm probably dead. Yeah, I'm dead.
I'm sorry.
What? How? Will Maddox ever kill me? Find out here on the next episode. Very good juego.
My Graviton was so good. Cloud9 wanted me to join them.
Look at this NA.
It's almost like they walked into it. Nice job, Tracer.
Thanks, mate. I'm just feeling good today, boys. Finished classes and like I'm on summer. Gonna go to Cali soon for what's it called? VidCon. And like, you know, you're finally done with classes and I'm on break. Wait. Wait. Unlucky.
I might need this later. See you later. I know.
Ask for host? No, wait, should I? No way, no. I make you look like a retard, dude. I hate people that do that, and like when they post their Twitch at the end of a game, when they know there's like a big streamer in the game, that shit's annoying. Understandable. Oh god, I'm on the ground, I'm on the ground, I'm on the ground. Oh, we're good. Damn it! Oh, I thought I didn't kill him. I got scared. Uh-oh. Raped. Ow. Ow. Oh. This is really fun. Great. Oh, dude, right in my dome.